Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, July 9, 2021. Government's National Summer School Program got off to a good start during its first week of operation. Education Minister Favour Williams says 16,530 students were engaged in face-to-face classes, while approximately 27,000 students benefited from online sessions on Learning Hub, Edufocal, and One-on-One Educational Services Limited.
Our expectation is that as we go through the program, we will continue to see an increase in the number of students, the number of schools, number of tutors that come online, and we are happy with the start of the program. It's a major initiative for all our children in recognition of the learning loss and learning gaps that they would have been experiencing.
Minister Williams made the statements at the post-cabinet media briefing on Wednesday. The month-long National Summer School Program was scheduled to begin on July 5 but was delayed by a day due to inclement weather associated with the passage of Tropical Storm Elsa. The initiative forms part of government's Recover Smarter National School Learning and Intervention Plan, which aims to help students recover from learning loss due to the COVID-19 pandemic. To further strengthen the child care and protection sector, the National Parenting Support Commission will soon be merged with the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPSA. Portfolio Minister Favour Williams says the merger will facilitate better coordination of support services for children in state care.
CPSA was a coming together or a merger of the OCR, Office of the Children's Registry, plus the CDA. That reform process is ongoing. I know operationally, they are together. The legal work is being completed, but additionally, there's still another step to go in terms of merging together with the CPSA, the NPSC, National Parenting Support Commission, for a more holistic and coordinated approach to all the services that our children who are in state care would need.
Minister Williams was speaking during the recent groundbreaking for a new therapeutic center for the Child Protection and Family Services Agency. Formerly known as the Child Development Agency, the CPSA is responsible for enabling a stable and nurturing living environment for children in need of care and protection. The agency was renamed following its merger with the Office of the Children's Registry, OCR, in 2017. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has promised to place greater emphasis on school infrastructure as the state gears up to resume in-person classes. According to Mr. Holness, attention will be paid to the design and building of schools to ensure that classes can be held without disruption from other lessons being conducted in close proximity.
We have to build our schools for airflow and light and to facilitate more outdoor teaching. So we have to pay more attention to the environment of the school. So all of those things we have to now incorporate, because we can't keep the children home forever. And we will have to put in place, when we go back to face-to-face learning, principals and teachers will have to be far more creative.
Mr. Holness was speaking recently as he handed over 40 tablet computers and a printer to students in southern Trelawney. The donation forms part of his Positive Jamaica Foundation outreach program to provide children with electronic learning devices. He called on parents to make plans to replace the devices given their short, useful life.
Start putting aside from now. Don't expect that there's going to be another round of gift of these tablets. All right, start preparing to have them replaced, because this is the nature of the world in which we live. It is an online world. It is a world where we will all be connected. And the faster we get acceptance of that idea, it is the faster and better our national development will be.
In other news, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the long-awaited report into the strategic review of the National Housing Trust will be debated in the House of Representatives soon. The report was completed in 2017 and tabled in Parliament shortly after. It is aimed at determining necessary reforms to be implemented at the agency to deliver its core mandate of providing houses to Jamaicans.
It really should have been debated long ago, but it is the kind of debate that requires the dedicated attention of the parliamentary agenda, and we're just trying to find that slot within the parliamentary agenda where we can debate that report. We, in short order, should find the space within the parliamentary agenda to dedicate 2 or 3 sittings to such a debate.
Prime Minister Holness was addressing Wednesday's groundbreaking for the Bustamante Children's Hospital Redevelopment Master Plan. Part of the plan includes the construction of a multipurpose building that will house a pediatric cardiac ward and overnight parent suite. The project is financed by the National Health Fund, the Southeast Regional Health Authority, and the National Housing Trust. It's part of the NHT's mandate to build communities around the houses it constructs. The government of Jamaica has joined member countries of the Caribbean Community CARICOM in flying all national flags at half-mast in tribute to the late President of Haiti, His Excellency Jovenel Moïse. President Moïse was assassinated in his home in Port-au-Prince on Wednesday. CARICOM heads of government convened an emergency meeting following reports of the death of President Moïse. The members agreed that all national flags, including the CARICOM standard, are to be flown at half-mast for a period of 3 days, beginning Wednesday. Flags will also be flown at half-mast on the day of President Moïse's funeral, which will be announced later.
We wish for the people of Haiti peace and stability at this time. We continue to monitor the situation and to gather as much information as we can.
And finally, Prime Minister the Most Honourable Andrew Holness has been appointed a member of the Privy Council. Governor General Sir Patrick Allen issued a statement announcing the appointment Thursday, saying it became effective on May 26. The accepted form of address of the Prime Minister will be the Most Honourable Andrew Holness, ON, PC, MP, Prime Minister. Prime Minister Holness is to attend a meeting of the Privy Council at the first convenient opportunity to take the oath or affirm in the presence of Her Majesty the Queen. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.